What on earth is this? This is the third attention tone. What on earth is this? Fourth one. Oh my god. What is this?
This is a test of the emergency alert system. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information. This test is now concluded.
Huh. They tested it like earlier this morning, like I could hear it. And since I'm sick, home from school today, I just like, act like I'm recording a video, and then I hear my radio go off, or it just comes up with a tone, and I was like, oh my gosh, do we have more storms in the area? Which I don't think would be a possibility, because you can't, here, let me show this one, because you can't see clouds all the way until about there. If there are any clouds, they're pretty far away. Either that or they're right above us, which, I mean, it's supposed to just be sunny today, but, I mean, anything can happen. And I did get a severe thunderstorm warning yesterday, so there's a cookie. Any clouds out this way? Yeah, you can see some. Oh, God. Oh, come on. Jeez. Please don't fall. These curtains are notorious for falling, and I gotta fix them. Pretty easy to fix. I mean, you just gotta put this on top of here. I mean, it's not fun to try and get the... Actually, it's not that hard, but, I just don't like it when they fall. Then I gotta put them back up, and no one else will do it, so... Yeah, there's some clouds out that way, but there's nothing really happening. We haven't had a day like this for a while. It's been all of February was just like cloudy, and I liked it. And we did get a few patches of sunshine, but I mean not that much. Oh well. I just go to turn on my scanner, and then my radio goes off. I was like, is this a warning, or is this a national periodic test? Oh well. I don't know why I always have like a big discussion like after each alert. Like, I need to stop doing that. It just needs... I mean, I in my opinion, an EAS video can't be like a 40-second video. Like, that's just... That's not really entertaining. I mean, like, what do you guys think? Like, should I keep doing discussions after these, like, as to what I was doing? This antenna has to be up here. Before this antenna was actually up here, I'd had it, just resting down here, and I actually hadn't extended it, like, since I got it. So, yeah. I think I want to get a new weather radio soon, because, severe weather season is starting to come back. Oh, and, we actually did get a new radio. This, actually, you guys might remember this from, EAS number, 6, which actually should be, EAS number 1. That's how I have it on my, my new channel. But this is from EAS number 6. This is the first weather radio I ever used. My dad wanted to throw it away. It has a problem, it can't keep a charge. I just, took one of these tips, plugged it in, plugged that in, and it works fine. And this is the newer version of that. This plastic on this is quite thick, and it's also kind of sticky. And this is how you select your bands. Weather bands 1 through 7. Then you got FM and AM. Then you got your tuning for the FM and AM. Oh, sorry. Yeah, there's that. And then this is the new version of that. That's the old Solar Link without the same encoding in it. And plastic on this one is quite a bit thinner, and it's made of different type. It's like a different kind of plastic. It's a $60 radio though. It's such a good radio. Ow. Actually, I'm sorry I didn't tell you about this, guys, but on Thursday, I actually sprained my ankle, and I had to wear this, and I had to use crutches on Friday. I didn't need the crutches after Friday, but I needed the splint on for quite a bit after that. Yeah, you can see I've moved some of this stuff around. I think I might want to move this off of here because it's blocking a lot of the light. But you can kind of see it glowing. Oh God! You can kind of see it glowing with the light behind it. It's kind of cool. I need to clean this up. God. I got this wired up too. It's my my Otis vandal resistant or Gen 2 button that I got from the Grand Hyatt when I was 10. So yeah. I remember on October 30th, 2015, I actually got this radio out from under my pillow and put the rechargeable battery back, and I turned it on, and it was in the middle of a tornado warning, so like as soon as I turned it on, it was like, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room. And I mean, it's just October 30th was such a crazy day. I mean, I even got a flash flood emergency, and most of the alerts I got when I was in school, but I also got some quite a bit after that. Oh, you didn't even see this. I bet you couldn't even see this. Battery seems to be holding up pretty good. I haven't charged it since yesterday, so yeah. The EH55 VP, I think, is a very good radio. It's 12:35, so my class is getting out of math now, or the school is getting out of if you have 5th period lunch, they're getting out of Cougar. Okay, I'm not gonna get into detail about it, but my class is leaving math, going to lunch now, so yeah. Now you can see my recom is still broken, so yeah. Trombone strap is broken. So yeah, and then I was staying home today because my throat was really swollen. So my mom kept me home. It's like so swollen. I couldn't even talk correctly last night. I just sounded like, yes, I'm like a space dad. I just sounded just like that guy. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. And does anyone know how to penny someone into their own room? Because like I've got this right here, and then I've got this right here. I don't know how to penny someone into their room. Do you need multiple pennies, or what is it? You gotta like push this to the side, or what do you gotta do? Yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching, and hopefully we get some more alerts soon.